Hey there, Daily Bite fam.
Welcome back to another exciting episode where we dive deep into the art of self-improvement and personal growth. Today, we've got a classic topic that's as relevant today as it was when it was first penned by Dale Carnegie: how to win friends and influence people. If you're ready to supercharge your social skills and build lasting connections, you're in the right place. Chapter 1: The Fundamental Principles of Influence. In this section, we'll explore the core principles outlined by Carnegie that serve as the foundation for building meaningful relationships. We'll discuss the power of genuinely showing interest in others, the importance of listening actively, and the art of making others feel important. Chapter 2: 6 Ways to Make People Like You. We'll uncover 6 actionable strategies for making people genuinely like you. From the value of a smile to becoming a good listener, and letting others feel important. We'll also share real-life examples and personal anecdotes to illustrate these concepts. Chapter 3: How to Win People Over to Your Way of Thinking. Want to be more persuasive and influential? We'll dive into the art of presenting your ideas in a way that resonates with others. Learn how to lead conversations effectively, handle disagreements, and inspire cooperation, all while maintaining respect and integrity. Chapter 4: Be a Leader. How to change people without offending them. Leadership isn't about authority. It's about influence. We'll explore how to motivate and inspire change in others, without causing resentment or resistance. Discover the secret to getting what you want, while making others feel like winners. Chapter 5: The Timeless Principles in the Digital Age. We'll discuss how these principles apply in today's digital world. From building online communities to fostering virtual relationships. Learn how to navigate the complexities of social media, networking, and online influence with authenticity and grace. Chapter 6: Practical Tips for Applying What You've Learned. No Daily Bite video would be complete without actionable takeaways. We'll wrap up with a set of practical exercises and tips to help you implement Carnegie's wisdom into your daily life immediately. There you have it, Daily Bite Community. There you have it, Daily Bite Community. How to Win Friends and Influence People is a timeless masterpiece that holds the keys to building meaningful connections and achieving success in both your personal and professional life. So, let's put these principles into practice and watch our lives transform as we become masters of influence and friendship. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also, hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode of Daily Bite. Until next time, stay awesome.